little trees, and I am back today with another hair tutorial, except today it's not me, it's him! This is my 6-year-old, soon-to-be 7-year-old son, Ty. Say hi, Ty.
Hi.
We're gonna do his hair just like mine, real similar. I'm gonna do the Poseidon Arctic Fox. All colors Arctic Fox. You know me, if you do. Okay, so Poseidon will be at the root, and then we're gonna do aquamarine at the ends. And it's gonna be gorgeous. Are you ready to have blue hair?
Yep.
Yeah? Are you excited?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. All right, so join us and watch how we do it. So guys, to start off first, we are using, I'm just gonna go ahead and put a cape on him just so it doesn't get on his shirt. And flip it. And then as we said, the first all right, the first color we're doing is the Poseidon. Let me show you. We have our bowls, the brushes. Let's put some in here.
Mom, can I dump some?
No, do it. This is not going to be diluted. Okay. Stop. We just have a little bit because we're just doing his roots and it's not going to be a lot. We start at the root. Careful not to get it on the side. So now that the root part is done, I'm going to start on the rest of the hair. Go back. Well, actually, we'll just stay there. This part will be with the aquamarine mixture.
Can we do it on the side?
And we're gonna fast forward through this again. Ready?
In school like this, my friends are gonna be impressed. Because the first time my hair was blue and I went into school, they were like really impressed.
Guys, so this part is done, or his hair coloring is done. So I have the clips. We're gonna hold it up and we'll keep it on. I just got blue on my cheek. And then, so we'll keep this on his hair for a couple hours or so, and then we'll rinse it and let you guys see what it looks like. Are you ready?
Yeah!
Hey guys, so I just want to show you the final result of Ty's hair. Down. It's kind of like a bluish green, kind of like denim blue color. Do you like it, Bug?
Yeah.
Yo. Okay, and what do we do? Tell people to give it a thumbs up if you like this video and you like our hair. And don't forget to, what else?
Subscribe.
Subscribe for more awesome videos. And I hope that you guys like it. And we'll see you for the next video. See you, bye.
Bye.
Bye.